Hare Krishna. This is ISKCON's Goshala, dairy herd in Vrindavan. Anyway, these are the monkeys enjoying the grass. At least here they don't steal their glasses. You know, they steal your spectacles and laugh at you while they're chewing them until you give them some biscuits. That's the monkeys in, well, in the centre of Lois Bazaar. That's because there's no forest there. It's not their natural habitat. And they're cheeky. And they're thieves. See here, they're already quiet, just eating the grasses. Now here's some of the cows, the baby cows, baby monkeys, look. Hello.
Excuse me.
और हमें रास्ते से बाहर हमें रास्ते से बाहर
No more.
Show you where the larger cows are. We go through here. Here they are, and they'll come, they're very curious. Maybe they think it's feeding time. At the moment it's 5 to 6 in the evening in Vrindavan, which is south of Delhi, India. It's the home of Krishna. Yes. Anyway, these cows have no fear because they will never be slaughtered. Never. Not one of them. That's the difference between Krishna consciousness and material consciousness. Gotta go now. Okay, see you later, cows. Hare Krishna.